Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to find your USDT wallet address on Binance. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. So, let's get started. First, open the Binance app. Tap on the assets icon at the bottom right. Next, tap Add Funds, then select Show More, and choose On-Chain Deposit. In the search bar, type USDT and select it. Now choose the network you want to use, like ERC20, BEP20, TRC20, and others. For this example, we'll select BNB Smart Chain, BEP20. Here, Binance will display your USDT wallet address along with a QR code you can scan or copy. In my case, the address doesn't show because my account isn't verified. But if your account is verified, it will appear normally, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.